Welcome. Today we're exploring quadratic functions, specifically how to analyze them from standard form and rewrite them into vertex form. This is all about connecting the equation to the graph. We'll focus on key features, axis of symmetry, vertex max or min value, y-intercept, and range. Our goal isn't just rearranging terms. It's understanding what the function reveals. Stay focused. This is where math becomes visual and meaningful. Let's look at the two forms. Standard form y equals sine x2 plus bx plus c. Vertex form y equals sine ax h2 plus k. They look different but represent the same parabola. Standard form reveals the y-intercept. Vertex form gives you the vertex immediately. Both are useful tools for analyzing graphs. As you work through examples, ask, what does this form tell me? What does the graph show? These questions help you think critically. That's the key to true understanding. The axis of symmetry in standard form is found with x equals sine b slash 2. That value is also the x-coordinate of the vertex. In vertex form, it's simply x equals sine h. Different paths, same destination. Both forms help you graph the same shape. One starts at the y-intercept, the other at the vertex. Your job is to translate between them and connect structure to visuals. Don't stress over messy numbers. Whether it's decimals or fractions, focus on your process, analyze. Transform, interpret, look for patterns and relationships. Ask yourself, can I find the vertex? Does the graph open up or down? What's the range? These checks keep you on track. Be patient, real learning takes time. Once you know the axis of symmetry, plug that value into the equation to find the vertex. That's how you move from standard to vertex form using logic and structure. If you feel stuck, that's okay. Growth comes from challenge. Keep going, you're building accuracy and resilience. The range depends on the direction the graph opens. Positive values mean up, minimum. Negative values mean down, maximum. That's crucial for interpreting the graph. Encouragement time, you're doing great. These skills may feel tough now, but they build real math fluency over time. Let's wrap up. Quadratic functions have patterns. You've learned to switch forms, find key features and connect them to graphs. Keep practicing, you're growing as a mathematician.
one of the smartest people in class. But she's bored. You know why? Because I can't teach things that are much harder. And so that's why she's bored. She needs more.
Clock it.
But I can't give it to her because as a whole, I stop and stop and stop. I don't even go as fast as I told you I could go on.
So we brought the class session.
Here we go. I definitely need to show you all how to calculate the vertex, okay? So make sure you read all of it, or sorry, we're from right before 5.
Next you had me gloves. I have gloves.
What?
But you were on the 6th one.
Come get your book. We were just before 5. That's what the mark is called. And I know he was paying attention. No, we were just before 5. We finished 4.1. Did we finish it? Did you finish it? When did you stop?
We stopped at something like 5 points. Thanks, dude.
Okay. So keep going.
I'm at 5.
Let's come from. Oh my God, my marker. You want me to send it to you
Where
again?
did this come from? Oh, I left it here.
No, it's a formula. Go to the next one. I thought it was in 5. Go to the next one. There it is, right there. Okay. So
I was right.
here's the step. I need you to write down all this. The steps are important. Okay. So on 6.2, all of the steps. Now I'm a little confused why they put the steps behind parts in 5, but yeah. Okay. So make sure you write down all those steps. They should be on your calculator. If you need me to send you the file because you couldn't find it, let me know. But
Tokens math.
yeah.
Connect. Log in.
Now, Milky. Okay, so this is how you find the axis of symmetry. This is how you find the vertex, and then I'll show you how to do that. Okay. Oh, yeah, what am I doing? Right here. Okay, and then determine the y-intercept. I'll show you what that means, and then steps to graph. Okay. So when you're ready to go to the next one, let me know so I can show you how to. Okay, so I'm going to write exactly what you would write for. Actually, I'm gonna get I think it's over here. Where did I do with my pen? Because writing with my fingers sometimes is very problematic. Somebody tell me why I can never find my pen. I don't know where I put it. I could have sworn that I put it right back in here. So I'm gonna end up writing with my fingers. I have a backup pen. Maybe I should. I have to help. I don't even know what a backup one is. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to use my finger. Okay.
You got me.
You got it?
You got me.
Not yet. Unless you want to write. You want to come here and write? So your function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So you need to write your functions. This is the way that I did it when I learned it. I would write them directly underneath, so that way I would know what A, B, and C is. Right? So A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. Okay? So the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b. Is it negative b over 2a? I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, negative b over 2a.
Okay. So replace the letter b where b is, and replace the letter a. I mean, a is 1, so that's pretty easy. And at some point, I have got to find my pens and not lose them. The problem is I don't lose them. I put them somewhere and then I don't remember where I put it. That's the problem. Can you hold it? Because this is important. Yeah, this is really important. Make sure you're writing this down. Yeah. Okay, so somebody tell me what the axis of symmetry is.
I don't know.
What is it? X is -2 over 2 times 1. Yeah. What does that equal to? -1. So your axis of symmetry is -1. Now I just connected my phone and then.
Oh, here.
All right, so you got that, right?
Oh.
So how do you think that now that I have the x values on the vertex, how do I find the y value? What do you think? What is that?
Okay.
Love it. Right. Love it. What you do is you take -1 and you plug it into this original function. So -1 squared plus 2 times -1 plus 3. And you we can figure that out, right? So 1, sorry. 1 minus 2 plus 3. What's that equal to? 1 minus 2 is -1 plus 3 is 2. So your vertex is -1, comma 2. Now you can step through on your calculator after you write all that down. We need you to do the announcements in the morning. Sorry, I got to see in the bother me. They're really gonna bother me a lot more. So just so y'all know, they probably gonna be walking in my room because of a prom. Because like literally, I posted when they could buy prom tickets, and I said I'm only taking digital payments. Do you know what I'm asking? What is a digital payment? Yeah, so it's not true that all questions are not, none of them can never be done. That was bad. I was like, really? Anyway. All right, so are we good? Are we clear? So do we, chaos is moving around to graph it? Hold on, I'm gonna use it right. Well, you probably trying to do many things at once. Just take your arrow and snap it up. Did everybody get this? We ready? You still writing? Are you still writing?
I wanna change, so they don't put your life for me.
Alright, so that's the ruling something.
You have a bigger racer? That's racer.
No?
It was just like a big.
Alright, can I go off? Can I erase it?
Wait, no, I didn't even put that down.
Okay. Look, that's the coefficients. We just did it. You can write anything that I wrote down. Does Kia have this? Yeah.
The dog.
All right, are you on the first? Yeah. Okay. That means you're very well. So click escape. Now, come over here to that. And then, yeah. All right, so we did that. Go ahead, click again. Did that. We found a vertex, yeah? So is our vertex correct? Okay, we did not do the y-intercept. Okay, that's okay. The y-intercept is easy. Are y'all ready? All you gotta do is put 0 in for x. Okay. So as you put 0 in for x, you get 0 squared plus 0 plus 3. So that's how you know where the y-intercept is. Okay, pretty easy. Okay. Okay, step again. And then I think that was the last step. So you see that everything you wrote down is right there. So that's how you start. You probably first based on the steps, and then you need to check your again. They have to give you everything you need. Yeah, help her. That's why you got to check. Sorry, I'm not sure. Here's the big answer. It's a who? Big answer. Oh my God. Not big AF. But okay, we figure out the second one. All right, let's go to the next one. I mean, okay. I didn't even do it. Like everything that we just wrote, everything that I just wrote is on the calculator. Every single step is on the calculator. We just did it before that one. The axis of symmetry? Yeah, the axis of symmetry is always the first digit in the vertex. Whatever the first number is in the vertex. So go back and find the vertex. -1. Yes. You said 1 -1/2. You had -1/2 checks. Okay, click the step. It's not moving. You gotta click that button. Okay? So make sure that you write down the axis of symmetry is x equals -1. You got it right? It's the first digit in the vertex, right? So the vertex, the vertex is -1, 2. This is the axis of symmetry. That's the x value. You got it? So when I give you the test, which I am going to give it to you, but I don't know, probably not today. But I need you to use your notes. I need you to use the foldable. Which I didn't see. I don't know if I saw everybody foldable or whatever. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. 55. Oh, that's my nephew, whatever you call it. Oh, no, we're not. Okay, so I need you all to now find the vertex on your own. Go. Yep. For what? Use everything you just did to find the vertex. And stay on it when you get frustrated. Don't drop my calculator. Don't drop it like it's hot. Like it's burning in your hands. Okay? Follow every single step. Ooh. She talking about what food am I getting because I got her doing an announcement. Girl,
No, I guess.
why I pay you to do announcements? You the vice president. What you talking about?
Mike said it.
What?
Yes.
Next like that. Give it up next.
Did you write down all the steps, Riley?
What's that?
The ones that we just did.
Yeah.
Make sure that you do x equals negative b over 2a, and then you take the x value, you plug it back into the function. And then you figure out what the y value is. And then you put 0 in for x. How do you find the y-intercept? Why are you looking at me like you're concerned? Turn the phone over. Not until you answer me. Answer first. I know, I'm tired. I get it. Yes. Not until you show me what the vertex is. Let's see it. Follow the steps that you just did. Work together. Put your brains together. Y'all are smart. Y'all can figure it out.
Hardly. Up it out. God damn.
What? Oh wow, what's wrong with you? You better not have a stomach bug. What's wrong with you? Come on, your stomach hurt. Oh.
Yep, that one. It's that one.
Okay, don't just choose an answer. I want to see the work.
How do I find the vertex?
Follow the steps. But Riley, go back to the previous frame. Follow everything you want to do that.
Go.
You have to find the correct answer. You have to then take those numbers and plug them into the formula. And then once you find x, you plug it back into the original function. So that's what you gotta do. Don't show me that. I'm sure you're good. I'm sure you're good. What I'd rather you do is help Dayon. Please put your brains together. I want to see the work, not the answer.
Yes, I'm.
It's the work. I'm not talking to you.
Oh, that's okay.
What's up, my name?
No, show me the answer. Nobody in the bathroom until you show me the. I mean, not show me the answer, but show me
Oh.
how you get the answer.
Put your brains together, right?
No bathroom. I'm not giving out no pass. I told y'all that. What you doing?
He walked up to me. Hold on, I'm talking to him.
You, I'm talking to Elijah.
And I said he walked up to me. I'm trying to do my work.
Every day and don't do work in my class, Elijah.
That's the temper. My woman's birthday. I don't know why. My fault. 4, 10, 5.
Huh?
Oh God, my mother followed me. All right, so who's gonna come up to the smart board and show us the work? Nope, I don't want. I'm not telling nothing. I want you to come up and show me. So you can do it on the smart board. I see you do it on the smart board. All right, let me do this.
Me and Carly both going to happen though.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you want to go to the next page? So you have more. I mean, like what? I'm not. You actually can just start a page and you have a whole thing. So if you press out, if you press DOC. Okay. It is. And then insert. Next from the board. And then page. Yeah, and then you can just I think you can click away from it or you can click add notes. Yep. Now you got blank. Full blank canvas there. You can pick your color. you get 1/2 from? I'm just saying, where did, you have to figure out what the exits, how they figure out exits. But that should be first. Figuring out exits. So what? What's your equation? The equation is y equals what? Y negative. Two hours. Plus 2x. Times 5. So the first thing I should see you do is x equals negative b. I should be. So what's b? 2 over 2 times plus. A is right here. So, what is -2? Well, it says A is 1. No, that's the. That's okay. Listen. Listen to me. How you do it. So. That. One part of it. Next one. But if you take it to the bottom. And when the bottom are gonna be, you know. Yeah. So. That is, and now tell me where you got it. Oh, that right, at least. Well, it's negative one, right? The market. Negative 1/2. Oh. You got that in there. Okay, keep going now. Because now you have to find out what the y value is. Yep.
We can erase this.
You can, and you can use.
Wait, does everybody have this?
You can actually.
Hold on. In your book. In your book.
You're supposed to be writing it down. Yep.
Just this. This ain't done.
Oh, I thought it was me. You can either hit the eraser and erase it all. Yep, there you go.
You didn't get it.
You're supposed to be trying it yourself. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you get a grade. Can we finish it?
I'll be clear, right there.
We gotta finish stuff.
I'll be.
Because we were told about 2 years ago that if they felt like coming in our room and taking our stuff, they could. And you're not taking nothing I bought. Everything in them closets I bought.
You write stuff down, sir. Sir. Sir, do your work.
You do your work, right?
I do my work.
Oh, good job, I'm proud of you. Oh, my God.
Okay, you're talking.
I'm gonna get the work done.
Brady,
I work on my own time.
I need you to check. And make sure that everybody. You have to order. At least fill up the page. If they did not fill up the page, give them a check minus.
Like I did.
Okay, so was that the number that is in the monthly?
Yes. We know it was 1/2.
In the monthly?
It was 1/2 times.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So was that actually 9/12 or was it?
It's your book, sir.
And
You not know my name now. Let me look down there. I put it up. Miss Dr. Nolan. Roll call. Against.
Then. Yeah, that's why I was like, we're no, y'all see 9 and 12 And then two. And then how do we find the y-intercept? That's the easiest one. 0. Ah, we put 0 in for x. Wait. Yeah, the brain's checking, make sure y'all write it down. That's good. That's what she's doing is how you find the y-intercept. Yeah. There you go. What is it? And then we fit. So what -5 now, -5, well, the negative. Now be careful with that, right? Yeah, that's right. We didn't pass. The axis of symmetry is -1/2. Don't go to this. You a test today. I don't even know what I'm gonna give it because I'm 8. You may not even give it 8. Yeah, I would like. That's my name. But the problem is, y'all ain't gonna remember all of this when you get back. I will. I'll take pictures. It's locked in already. But you have notes. Exactly. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah. I'll be back. Yeah, because the hair got my hair. My hair got real thin up here because of braids. So, thank you. I'm sorry, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Before we move on.
You're moving on. All right, so I'm ready.
Yes. Oh, I gotta use a different person. Nika. All right, I'll use the. You know the announcement that's coming. That's what you gotta do. That's not telling me what I have to say. Oh, see what you said? How do you paper from? I don't know. Yes. You don't have it? Oh, now we have it. Well, when I talk to I told you about it this meeting. No one you were. Oh, you were being mean. All right, so how do we get them from you? What you got on your feet? Oh, you spending money. I've been hiding that. Oh, you got money. Anyway, so we get them from you or Lindsay? We get them from me and Lindsay. I mean, you can buy yours from me. You ready for it? I have to buy 2. Okay. Cause I gotta give them to me and my boyfriend. I mean, I have them. So, is your boyfriend a guest? Yeah, he's a guest. You need a guest form now. That's what I'm saying. Like, where's the guest form? Over here. I haven't by the door first. Mine is I don't understand why mine is Mine can't do it. He's the president. Because he don't be here. He do be here. He just he's in his car. Oh, he's in his car. Well, that's dumb. All right, so ready to go in. Still not as far as I wanted to be. So the y-intercept is number. Let's figure that one out. What's the y-intercept rate? If I plug 0 in for x, what do I end up with?
0 for x.
No.
Hey, you said 0 for x. What's the problem?
Oh, -5.
There you go. Boom.
Wait, miss.
But I
My boyfriend's not a high school.
I didn't realize.
Is he 21?
He's 19.
Okay, so then you should be able to go.
But it doesn't say any, it just says high school and what grade and stuff. It's not.
Oh, if you're outside, then you gotta clear that with friends. That's all I have to tell you.
Oh, let's go talk to this blonde.
Alright, move on.
Who you need me to do it tomorrow?
You want me to send you a script?
Yeah, go ahead.
I will be happy to do that. Remind me, please, if you don't get it by 2 o'clock. Alright, go ahead. The next one. You're supposed to be way further. Okay, which way does the graph open? Opens up or down? Do not yell it out. Just think it through. Which way does it open? No. It does. And how do you know that? Because of what tells you that in this equation? It's no, it's not the -5, it's the -2. It's the A value that flips it. Okay, please write that down. That's important. The A value tells you if it opens up or if it opens down. Do you see how you start to get the hang of it? If you just keep going, you are not going to understand all of these things the first time you do it. It's not even a thing unless you're some kind of what? Well, a lot of people who are autistic can think quickly in math, you know, or even in another subject. But if you don't have that kind of brain, you gotta practice. And over time, you'll be like, oh, God, I don't do. Okay, so now we're gonna convert from Vertex, did it say Vertex? Standard form to Vertex. Okay? So please read the slides. I think the next slide has some reading on it. Go ahead, go to the next one. Just read the slides. Go to 7.1, 7.2. Read through them and write down how you convert. Make sure you're reading it as you're writing it though. Part of the problem is that we copy to make it like we're doing work, and we're not really reading it. You gotta read what you're writing. I think when I make this video, because I'm actually gonna make this a YouTube video, I have to take out all the sound. I have to do sound all over again and narrate the video. I'll make sure your name is not in it here. All right, so make sure that your foldable, remember it shows you the standard form, the vertex form, and the intercept form. We don't usually use the intercept form that much. You don't think the table form makes it foldable? You want 2 green, 2 yellow, or green and yellow?
Green, yellow. Oh, just for the photo. I finally do it.
Oh my God, the paper's only been here, sir.
Didn't know the standards.
Yeah, luckily I know that I was once a teenager. And I was not a happy teenager. You know why? I wasn't depressed. I wasn't happy. Because my mom used to I thought my mom had a mental illness. I really did. But she used to yell, she used to scream, and I didn't understand. I was like, you had all this time. My mom literally, like, I would leave the house and she'd be screaming, and I'd come back and she'd still be screaming. I was like,
Still be screaming?
she's a clean freak.
Oh,
So
that where you get your cleanliness from?
part of it, I'm not as a neat freak as my mom, no.
Mm.
Like this room would drive my mom crazy. Because she can't stand to see cords, so she covers up. Like when you go to her house, you can't even find light switches sometimes. But she wants to be in control of everything. I think it's like a compulsion, like obsessive
Are you
compulsion.
sure like this program here?
She might like that. Because she likes wall hanging. Everything's covered in her house. Oh, her house is so clean. Come on. Alright, so you're gonna do the same thing that we just did. So we're gonna convert this to vertex form. Okay? So make sure that you are paying attention to every single part. And let me know if you need guidance. Me too. I'm always hungry, girl. I love food. Did you read it? What does it say? Spreadsheet on the following page, convert the standard form coefficients A, B, and C into vertex values H and K. Notice the formulas for H and K in the cells B4 and 5. Practice by changing the values of A, B, and C in column B and observe the values of H and K and the resulting graph. Go. Because we are out of time and we're still not done with this activity. If you only knew how much that frustrated me. We should be, we should have been able to finish today. Yeah, so go to the next page.
I take the calculator home and do it at home.
Absolutely.
Is there a program I can?
Not take my calculator.
Is there a program I can access the calculator at home? No.
You can buy it on an iPad.
How much?
I think it was $29.
That's not all.
I have it on
How
my,
much do I care about my education?
I do have it on my iPad. Okay, so if
Let me borrow your iPad.
you go to the next column, go over to B. No, over. Go over to the right. B, in column B. Hit the arrow to the right. So you're in the wrong screen. Go back to the table. Column B. Okay, go up. Just notice that this is A and this is B. So go over, up. Click. Now hit the right arrow so you can see, because you can't see it. Go back. There you go. Okay. So you're going to notice what happens when you change.
Here, it's just side by, it's.
Yeah, we're close to that.
Yeah, okay, it hit, the other side when you found. Yeah, there's.
There you go. Okay. Now change the numbers. So double click. Double click. Now just change that number. Change it to anything you want. Don't make it too big though. Oh my God.
Make it 42.
No! All right, hit enter. Hit enter.
Oh.
You see it move? You see all the numbers change? So you see that when you change A, it changed HK. Okay, now so change it, but try not to make the numbers too big. Don't go 5.
Go to negative 2.
You can make them negative 2, yeah, so negative 5 to 5. Okay,
I'm going.
okay, change A to something smaller.
Go 3.
Yeah, so you see, because what you gotta do is be careful because you're gonna get these weird fractions. And nobody wants fractions. Nobody wants to graph. Yeah. So think of something, just keep changing it so you can see what's happening to the vertex. Because when you change these numbers here, the vertex changes. Okay? So change C to something, I don't know. No, not H. Not H. Just change C. Okay. Okay. And now, up down a little bit because, what is down here, Brady? That's the H. It's just the formula, I think. Okay, all right, go to the next screen. Okay, so we're gonna convert this to vertex form. So what do we gotta do first? Tell me you tell me what to do and I'll write it. What do we do first? What does step one tell you to do?
Convert. Wow.
Not yet, not yet. That's not the first step. Are you reading your book? Or you could go back to the calculator steps. I don't care. The first thing I gotta do. And you're gonna have to yell, because you know I'm old.
First, the standard point forward is vertex.
Coefficient is the right word. What do I do? How do I find them? Oh my God, children!
This is what I have my calculator on.
How do I find the coefficient rate? How do I find A, B, and C? Where do I get the numbers from? Not yet. No graph yet.
The axis is
Not yet. If you're staring at it,
y.
I'm staring at it. Where do I get those numbers?
Vertex.
Yes. Where at? Where's A located? 2. Thank you. Where's B?
Oh, okay.
10. What's C?
7.
Yes.
Learn.
Okay. Then I use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. Now I need somebody to plug it in, and I want you to tell everybody do it, but I want someone, the fastest person that gets it done, tell me what you got. So I just plug the numbers in, so it's negative 10 divided by 2 times 2. That's it.
Negative 10.
2 times 2. So A is 2. So negative 10 divided by, what's 2 times 2, children?
4.
And when I simplify it, I get, you trying to do that one? How do I, what number divides into both? 2. So what's 10 divided by 2?
5.
And 4 divided by 2? So that is my x value, yes? That is my axis of symmetry. Yes, write it down. I'm not writing that down. Axis of symmetry. And then I'm going to take x and I'm going to plug it back into the equation. And I'm going to figure out, remember, raise and sub it. Keep going. So 2 times negative 5 over 2 squared. And I would definitely use a calculator to do this. Don't do this by hand. Man, nobody has time. Unless you really want to. I will put that into a calculator. Remember, you can add calculator pages to your calculator. Okay. So if you're going to get a fraction, it's wrong. No, you're not. No, you're not. What am I saying? No, you're not. You don't want to get a fraction. So if you divide this out, and you divide that, you get 5 here. Much easier. Okay, so what do we end up getting for the y value? The 25 minus 25. What is that?
72. What's 7? Oh, this is my brain was.
It's okay. I don't expect you not to make mistakes. I expect you to make mistakes. All right, so this is 25 minus 25. Okay, so we have now the vertex. Yes, we have the x value, which is negative 5 over 2, comma 7. Right? Now, how do we write that in the vertex form? Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, right? So this is h and this is k. All right? So you just need to replace the numbers into this form. There is no, wait, do we have to worry about a? Worry about A though. Do we? No, okay. Okay. But A is two. I don't know. I feel like we need to worry about A. Anyways, for now, 'cause we're out of time. We'll just leave a little space for A, and so X plus, is it X minus or X plus? Plus or minus? Did you say plus?
Huh?
Are you trying to put plus and minus together as one word? Y'all do that, it's plus. 5/2. Because this is negative.
I said plus, man.
And this is negative, so when you plug it in, it turns off. Okay, plus, okay. So that is your vertex one, okay? I'm still not sure about if the A is two. Not sure about that.